apart from that, what else can you do? So apart from doing the practice tests, I think that you should also work on WPM, which is words per minute. Again, you can type in what WPM. I think I used monkeytype.com. This is not sponsored. This is just something that I used. I used the free ones and I just typed and tried to get my WPM as high as possible. I will say I was definitely on the lower end of my WPM when it was the actual test day, because again, it's nerve anxiety, taking the exam, right? So you will go a little slower than normal, but try to, make it as high as possible so that way at least you're not super low. Again, this exam is timed, and unless you have an extremely high WPM, there's no way you're going to write everything. So what I will say is write the main points, and then if you have time, if you have 20 seconds left, then maybe write in the filler, but write the most important things first. If you have, for example, a scenario based, for example, let's say Sally is cheating on her exam. What do you do? So then, yes, you need to report Sally, obviously. But apart from that, you need to see why. Why was she cheating? So that way she can get the resources she needs. Yes, she's going to be reported, but you also need to see that if there is a way that you can help her. And what I mean by that is Sally cheating because she just doesn't know the material. So maybe she needs tutoring. Maybe that's a resource that she can get, or maybe she doesn't know how to take notes, or maybe was she sick, or does she have some type of disease? Maybe she needs to take a break, a medical leave. Is it that she's going through a lot? Does she have anxiety? Does she have depression? Is she going through something at home? Maybe we need to find counseling resources for her at the school, or see what type of therapy or things that she can do to help with that anxiety. So again, and to find ways to help her, offer that, and to go with her to the professor, explain her situation. And yes, she's going to be reported. Yes, she's going to suffer the consequences, but also see if this is her first time, then maybe she needs a little grace. I mean, yes, she needs to suffer her consequences, but maybe get a lesser penalty than if, for example, there was like a death at home and she didn't have time to study. I mean, again, it wouldn't be the same as someone that's just straight on cheating, has always been cheating. So I think there should be a degree of empathy. And I think that if you show those type of things, that you're willing to help the other person, work with the person, and again, it's not excusing their behavior because it's not right. Cheating is not correct. But it's also to see how that person can get the resources that he or she needs. So that is something that I would do for those type of scenario based. Another scenario you could see